Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 9th standard CBSE Mathematics number systems. In last session we have already finished exercise 1.1 to 1.4 children. Before getting into exercise 1.5, we need to learn these basic formulas. Root AB equal to root A into root B. That means we can divide, separate. Root of A by B equal to root A by root B. Here also we can separate and write. Third one, root A plus root B into root A minus root B equal to A minus B. This is same like A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Here square and root will get cancelled, so it will be A minus B. Fourth one, A plus root B into A minus root B equal to A square minus B. Same like this. Root A plus root B into root C plus root D equal to root AC plus root AD plus root BC plus root BD. Sixth one, root A plus root B whole square. This is same like A plus B whole square children. A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? Here square and root will get cancelled. So answer is A plus 2 root AB plus B. Root A minus root B whole square equal to A minus 2 root AB plus B. These formulas we need to learn properly children. Exercise 1.5 children. First question. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. See the first question. 2 minus root 5. Root 5 already we know this is irrational number. Root 5 value is 2.236 so on. If you subtract from 2 minus 2.236 so on also you will get 0.236 so on. That means it is irrational number children. Second question, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Here we have some numbers in brackets and here also minus root 23. First we will solve this one. 3 plus root 23 out of brackets minus root 23. Root 23 plus root 23 minus root 23 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 3. 3 is a rational number children. Here also 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. 2 root 7, 7 root 7. Here also root 7 will get cancelled. 2 by 7 children. 2 by 7, it is in the form of P by Q, right? So it is in the form of P by Q means it is a rational number. Fourth question, 1 by root 2. Root 2 value we know that 1.414 so on like that. It is irrational number. So 1 by root 2 also irrational number children. 2 pi value is 3.141 so on like that. So if you multiply that value into 2 you will get 6.14 so on like that. So this is also irrational number children. Second question children, simplify each of the following expressions. First question, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Here we have to do just multiplication of these terms. So first with 3 2s are 6. Again 3 with the second number plus 3 root 2. Now with root 3. Root 3 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Now this one root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. Now we will write one more line. 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2. Already we have learned the formulas. Root A into root B equal to root of AB. That means root of 3 into 2, 6 children. So 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. This is the answer. Now second question children. 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. This is same like A plus root B into A minus root B. That equal to A square minus B. Here A value is 3. B value is 3 again. So we will write the solution here. A square, that means 3 square, minus B. B is nothing but 3. 3 square is 9 we know, minus 3. 9 minus 3, answer is 6. Third question children, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. This is same like root A plus root B whole square. That equal to A plus 2 root AB plus B. Here A value is 5 and B value is 2. Now we will write as per the formula. Root A plus root B whole square equal to A. That means 5 plus 2 root AB. A is 5 into 2. This is into. Plus B. B is 2. So 5 plus 2 root 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 root 10. This is the answer children. Now fourth question children, root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. This is same like root A minus root B into root A plus root B. We will write the formula. Into root A plus root B. That equal to A minus root B into root B is B. Now here A value is 5, B value is 2. So what is the answer? A is 5 minus B value is 2. It is 3 children. Third question, recall pi is defined as ratio of circumference C of a circle to its diameter, that is C by D. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is an irrational number. How will you resolve this contradiction? So here there is no contradiction at all. Pi we are getting 3.14 so on like that. It is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. That means either C or D should be an irrational number. Then only pi value will be irrational number children. Right? And we are measuring the length of diameter or circumference using scale or any other device. So you will get an approximate rational value. So we don't know C or D which one is irrational number. So that's why we are getting pi is an irrational number children. Fourth question, represent root 9.3 on the number line children. This question we have already finished in previous session. Please go through that link. Fifth question children, rationalize the denominators of the following. We have to rationalize the denominators only. Here first question, 1 by root 7. Root 7 we need to rationalize. Root 7 is an irrational number. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator with root 7. Now 1 into root 7 will be root 7. Root 7 into root 7. It is root 7 square. Square and root will get cancelled. Now answer is root 7 by 7. Now in denominator we don't have irrational number. So denominator is rationalized. Now second question, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Here also we need to rationalize the denominator. That means we need to multiply with root 7 plus root 6 in numerator and denominator also. So like this. Here we need to multiply with root 7 plus root 6 here by root 7 plus root 6 here. That equal to 1 into root 7 plus root 6, it will be root 7 plus root 6. Here root A minus root B into root A plus root B. We know the formula, root A minus root B into root A plus root B equal to A minus B. Here A minus B is 7 minus 6. That equal to root 7 plus root 6 divided by 1. Now see the denominator. It is rationalized children. Now third question children. 1 by root 5 plus root 2. Here we need to rationalize the denominator. That means we need to multiply with root 5 minus root 2 in numerator and denominator also. We'll see. It will be 1 by root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 divided by again root 5 minus root 2. Now 1 into root 5 minus root 2. It is same. Root 5 minus root 2 only. Divided by here root a plus root b into root a minus root b. That equal to a minus b. That means 5 minus 2. Now the answer will be root 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 minus 2. It is 3 children. Now fourth question, 1 by root 7 minus 2. So this also you know how to do. We need to multiply with root 7 plus 2 in numerator and denominator also. One into root 7 plus 2 is root 7 plus 2. Root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2. It is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Here root 7 square minus b square 2 square. That equal to root 7 plus 2 divided by here root and square root will get cancelled. So 7 minus 4. So the answer is root 7 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 4 is 3 children. Before getting into exercise 1.6 children, just revise laws of exponents. You have already learned in 7th and 8th standards. Just revise. A power m into a power n equal to a power of m plus n. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Here m greater than n children. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. These two will multiply mn. A power m into b power n. Here exponents are equal, base different. That equal to ab whole power n. A power 0 equal to 1. 1 by a power n equal to a power minus n. Clear children? Exercise 1.6 children. First question, find the values. First one 64 whole power 1 by 2. 64, we can write it as 8 square. 64 is 8 8s are 64. That's why I am writing 8 square whole power 1 by 2. That equal to a power m whole power n. Here we are using a power m whole power n. That equal to a power m into n. Same thing. 8 square whole power 1 by 2. So 8, 2 into 1 by 2 children. Right? That equal to 8, 2 will get cancelled. 8 power 1. Nothing but 8 is the answer. And the second question, 32 power 1 by 5. 32 we can write it as 2 power 5. 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. Here also same formula, a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. So 2 power 5 into 1 by 5 children. 5 will get cancelled. So 2 power 1 is the answer. That is 2 children. Now here third question, 125 power 1 by 3. 125 is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. That means 5 cube we can write. 1 by 3 here. Here also a power m whole power n. Same formula. That is 5 power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. So answer is 5 children. Second question children. Find the values. Same thing. So first one 9 power 3 by 2. 9 we can write it as 3 square whole power 3 by 2. This one look like a power m whole power n. I am writing formula here. Whole power n. That equal to a power m into n. Right children? So we are using this formula here. 3 square whole power 3 by 2. It is 3 power 2 into 3 by 2 children. 2 will get cancelled. This is 3 cube now. 3 cube is nothing but 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 is the answer. Now we'll see the second question. 32 power 2 by 5. 32 we can write it as 2 power 5 whole power 2 by 5. So this is also same look like a power m whole power n. That equal to 2 power 5 into 2 by 5. Now 5 will get cancelled. 2 square children. 2 square is nothing but 4. Now third question. 16 power 3 by 4. 16 we can write it as 2 power 4. Whole power 3 by 4. This is also a power m whole power n. That equal to 2 power 4 into 3 by 4. 4 will get cancelled. Now it will be 2 cube. 2 cube, you know that 8 is the answer. Now fourth question, 125 power minus 1 by 3. 125 we can write it as 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5s are 125. That is 5 cube here. Whole power minus 1 by 3. Here also a power m whole power n children. That equal to 5 power 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. Now 5 power minus 1 is the answer. This one also we can simplify by using the formula a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Right children? So 5 power minus 1 equal to 1 by 5 power 1, that equal to 1 by 5 is the answer. Question number 3 children. Simplify the following. First one 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5. This is same like a power m into a power n. Is it right? That equal to a power m plus n. Right children? So we are using this formula. So here a is 2. M value is 2 by 3. N value is 1 by 5. Now we will use the formula. 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5, that equal to a power of m by n. That means 2 power of m plus n. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. That equal to 2 power 3 and 5 LCM 15 children. 3 5s are 5 into 2 10. 5 3s are 3 into 1 3. That equal to 2 power of 13 by 15 children. This is the answer. Second question children. 1 by 3 cube whole power 7. This equal to a power m of power n. I am applying for numerator and denominator separately children. This is equal to 1 power 7 divided by 3 cube whole power 7. 1 power 7 you know 1 only. 3 cube whole power 7. That is 3 power 3 into 7 children. A power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. That equal to 1 by 3 power 21 children. And this one look like 1 by a power m. That equal to a power minus m. Right children? So 1 by 3 power 21 equal to 3 power minus 21 is the answer. Now third question children. 11 power 1 by 2 divided by 11 power 1 by 4. This is look like a power m divided by a power n. That equal to a power of m minus n. We are using this formula to solve this question. So 11 power 1 by 2 divided by 11 power 1 by 4 equal to 11 power of m minus n. M is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Right children? 11 power of, take LCM, 4 it is. 2 2s are 1 here. So 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 4. So answer is 11 power of 1 by 4 children. Now fourth question children. 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. This is exactly look like a power m into b power m, that equal to ab whole power m. Here we are using this formula to solve this question children. So ab, that is 7 into 8 whole power m. M is 1 by 2. We have same exponent, right? That equal to 7 8s are 56 whole power 1 by 2. This is the answer children. This is the end of the chapter children. Thank you very much.